Okay, this is Visual Studio Code. You go to Extensions, type Background. It's this one with katsute. You install it. Once you do that, you can go to the search bar, press Shift greater than, click on Background Configuration, click on Window, click on File, add a file, choose a file. Here's a pop-up message, install and reload. Now go here, back to search, shift greater than, background configuration. Now we're going to adjust the opacity. So depends on your preferences, and it's going to depend on what image you choose, what looks good. You can make the opacity different. And also, you can press Control K, Control T, and once you do that, you can toggle through the different color themes to choose a color theme that suits your preferences. Okay, thank you. So that's how I customize my Visual Studio Code developer environment.